Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your headphones Sony from your Android. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices or Bluetooth. At the device list, you need to click at the settings icon or information icon near to your headphones. And right here at the right side we have a button what called disconnect. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between disconnect and unpair. So when you select to disconnect your headphones, it will stop Bluetooth connection with it, but it will lift your headphones at the device list. And if you select to unpair, it will totally remove your headphones from your phone. Now let me click on it, and as you can see right here, I just stopped Bluetooth connection with it, but I still have it at the device list. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!